Next chapter, fruit and vegetables. Potato meaning aloo. Apple meaning सेब. Brinjal meaning बैंगन. Orange meaning संतरा. Banana का मतलब है केला. Peas meaning मटर. Beans meaning फलियाँ. Pumpkin का मतलब है कद्दू. Guava का मतलब है अमरूद. And lemon means नींबू. Say the names of the vegetables and fruits that you know. Help your teacher put them in right baskets. So, which are vegetables and which are the fruits? We have to differentiate and we have to write here. Under vegetables, we are going to write potato. They have already written. So, we are going to add here other vegetables. From the pictures they have shown. Children, can you differentiate between vegetables and fruits? So how you can differentiate fruits from vegetables? That fruits are sweet in taste. Generally fruits are sweet in taste. And vegetables we take with our food, like with roti or with chapati or in curries we add vegetables. So we can differentiate by this, considering these things. So let's add into vegetable basket potato, brinjal, peas, beans, pumpkin and lemon. Right. So in fruits basket we are going to add apple. They have already shown their apple. Orange, right? Banana and guava, right? Answer these questions. Which fruit do you like? So which is your favorite fruit? You answer it to comment box. I'm going to write here my answer that my favorite fruit is watermelon. So you are also going to write into your exercise that my fruit is dash dash dash, your fruit. Okay, next question. Which vegetable do you like? I like dash dash dash, your vegetable, your favorite vegetable, you can write there. So my answer will be I like beans. Beans are my favorite. Next question. Look at the pictures and say what they are. This is an apple, right? This is an onion, right? This is a tomato, correct? This is a brinjal. This is a watermelon. Cool. You can complete these pictures into your book. You can take your parents' help. Next question. Match the pictures with the words. So they have shown their words and pictures. You are going to match the words with the respective pictures. Right? Potato, we are going to connect with potato picture. Melon is going to connect with melon picture. Cabbage, we are going to connect with cabbage picture. Coconut, we are going to connect with coconut. Banana is going to connect with banana. Chili with chili picture, right? Cool. So last question. What did you have for lunch today? So write your answer into comment box and into your exercise book also. So my answer will be I had roti, curd, pickle and pulses into my lunch. Pulses are my favorite. Okay, next let's begin with next chapter. Children, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.